Alrighty, my friends, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Bondage BDSM Restraint Kit with adjustable thigh restraints, handcuffs, waterproof sheet, and it's got like a Leopard spanking paddle as well. This thing looks very cool. It's definitely, you can use it for a lot of different positions, which is really nice. We're going to unbox it and then I'm going to show it out on the table so you can get an idea on everything included here. So first of all, wanted to let you know it's discreet. You're not going to have any clue what's in the box. It's also going to come in additional Amazon packaging as well. But very nicely packaged. This thing does, I want to give you context. This thing already has very high quality reviews. So I think you're going to love it, but I just wanted to say that before we even get into it. So here's how it comes. That's everything in the box. We'll go ahead and set the box to the side. And now let's just unpackage it bit by bit. So this is going to be the sheet. And this sheet is... This sheet is 51 inches by 86 inches. So we will go ahead and just show this. And this is a waterproof sheet. And you obviously know the reason why you would want that out, right? So going to go ahead and show you the size of this just to give you context. So once again, that is 51 inches by 86. So a good size, just keeping you, keeping your house protected as you guys have fun with each other. In addition to that, what is this? Let's check this one out. Let's see what this says. Let's see what this says. Oh, this is a blindfold. Okay. Here's the blindfold right here. So that could just go around and you can tie that around. Very simple, easy to use. Definitely has a very lacy, kind of like silky vibe to it. We'll go ahead and lay that out so you guys can see that when I set it up. All right, and here's the main part of the vibe. This is, this is the actual setup, right? So yeah, okay. Okay, I see. Where does this go? Okay, where does this part go? Oh, is it two of these? Oh, okay, sweet. Okay, perfect. So what we have is we have the main device right here. And this is where you'd put the feet through. This would go around the neck, I believe. Yeah, this goes around the back of the neck like this. And then this is what you would put around the thighs right here. And you also could then attach, where would these attach? Where would those attach? Let's see. To here. I'm trying to see where those attach, the handcuffs. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay, I see. Okay. So you have handcuffs right here, and those would just attach up near the neck or near the feet. Wherever you see these right here, you can attach the cuffs. So you can attach those handcuffs on both sides and picture it. This goes around the neck, this goes around the legs, and then the hands are cuffed like this, just so you can get a vibe on how that's going to actually look. And then the last thing we'll unpackage is going to be the paddle that just makes this a little more, that's a good vibe. So you kind of have a vibe here. You can kind of swap both sides, whether you want to get some fingers kind of on there or you just want a solid one on that side. That's going to come in handy as well. Now what I'm going to do is shift to a different angle so you guys can kind of see this stuff overhead. All right, so here it is all laid out. So once again, we have that waterproof sheet right here That's going to be great for your endeavors. We've got a really nice paddle, as you can see. You can use both sides. This side has kind of like them separated like that, so you get a little more of that vibe. This side is just solid. So whichever side you want to use. We've got the actual unit. We got that neck strap right here, so it's going to be nice and comfortable. I would say comfortable in the uncomfortability, if you get what I'm saying. You've got really nice pads for the handcuffs right here on both sides. Those are going to be Velcro adjustable. And then we also have the thigh belt as well right here. These are going to go around the thighs. And as you can see, that's going to buckle just around like that. So very high quality unit. And then you have the blindfold itself, which is a very nice kind of like high-end feeling, like more of like a lacy kind of like suede, silk vibe, not suede, silk. Anyways, this is high quality. It's got really good 5-star reviews. Highly recommend.